Hello everybody and welcome to the live session. Here we are, consistently showing up for the London session and New York session and trading. Yesterday I took a loss on Aussie and Euro dollar, and today I already have this Aussie Chief. Aussie Chief is something that I currently have, and I'm anticipating this wave to come and tag this trend line. Okay, so this is the anticipated movement that's medium term, and along with the maximum that it can happen, it's tagging this trend line. So this everything together will form some sort of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is something that I'm aiming. So that's the maximum that I will get out from this trade. Very good structure looking trade, and more upside it's possible over there. Let me just delete this. Okay, a lot of drinks. So yeah, this is a structure that looks like it will go all the way to the downside. For now it's struggling, sitting there at the top. We will see how this progresses, but I really see that this has a nice potential to go all the way down. Let's go now step by step. First I will start with the dollars, and then I will go through the whole list of pairs to see what we can anticipate for today, what the today market is showing to us, where are the opportunities that are forming currently. So let's go. DXY, I will not do anything over there because right now this is in the middle of nowhere. I don't want to get into the buy over there. Structurally, again, it's too high and I would not take it. Okay, so this will go probably lower, but if this forms me some sort of pullback, I will take it all the way down to this low. And I think the DXY can go much further to the upside than weekly. I think weekly it has, weekly this structure, it's showing upside on dollars, so we can anticipate that the market, the dollar will totally change and continue its wave. So especially if this movement appears over there, this will confirm that we are heading to the upside very, very, very high, at least back to these highs over there, or extension. It's even possible to tag this one, and that will mean that euro dollar will be perfect sell, Oz USD, pound USD, New Zealand USD, and great buy will be USD CAD and USD Chief. These will be good opportunities if this happens. So, but what I can do now on dollar currently, it's wait for this movement to happen. We will have to wait for this move to happen without us, because it will not be tradable probably. It can go slow, it can go in a disaster mode. And definitely I wouldn't risk my money right now. I would not take any risk over there taking this move to the downside. Rather waiting is much better over there. Or if in case we'll form any sell setup, then we can take it, because this can still go up, break this top, and then we have a running flat over there, and that means we will go again deeper pullback, and then we will finally go, or it will go in the sideways over there. Either of these will happen, but currently we cannot know because it's too far away. We have to see, we have to let the chart do whatever it wants to do before we can trade. Market needs to confirm by itself. Euro dollar, this is what I was talking about, that the dollar can completely change. Okay, so if I reverse this picture, we will get the dollar movement. Okay, so euro dollar, what it will happen, this can still go up, tag the top, going down, tagging that and this low, and then it will go all the way up to extend. Okay, so this much room is over there then. And definitely, yes, we will be trading this movement. We will be trading this movement, but for the downside, nothing yet. Yesterday I got stopped out because market just stopped us out. Simple. We have to continue to trade further. We didn't do anything wrong. Everything was based on the plan. Stop losses are just the part of this business and the cost of this business, so we cannot do anything. Because when we win, we will win more than we ever lost over there. So we shouldn't even place any focus or whatever. It's not even worth of discussing it because winners are very, very, very big. Okay, so I think that this one will go to the upside. Give me a nice flag and then drop. This is the similar structure that happens on, I think it was on 15 minutes. Yeah, here, look at that one. This one. This one now is just the bigger one. 1, 2, and 3 going up. Probably we won't be able to catch this movement over there, and then it will go to the downside. Okay, so this sell may be tradable. It's much better sell. Sell has much more opportunity, and it will be easier to catch than this buy. This buy, if in case if it happens, it can be messy. It can go straight without giving us any signs of doing it, and entering it right now, it's not making sense. It's against the trend. Okay, so if I do anticipate a wave to the downside, I shouldn't be buying. But this is, come on, this is the movement. This is possible as well. This can go, come on, this can go down and then up. Very possible movement. Yeah. It's changing. Yesterday, when the chart was there, I was anticipating this movement to continue to the upside. Didn't it? Took me out with the stop loss. And right now, basically, what the chart did, it changed its structure. It's changed its direction, because from the point where it hits my stop loss, it means that I'm totally wrong. I have my stop losses where structure totally changes. And if structure totally changes, then I have to relook at the structure and see what's going on, what is about to happen, because I was stopped out with the reason that something will not go as planned and it will go in another direction. And this is exact moment. This is exact moment when is now deeper pullback, as we have now impulse and now deeper pullback. The lower it goes, the higher this movement becomes. Okay, so this movement now, it's identifying the next movement. All right, it's talking to me. It's saying to me in which direction I have to prepare myself. It's saying what I have to keep an eye on. But definitely sell, it's something that I would definitely take. Taking there and then going down. Maybe this can be a corrective movement and then we will have upside. Maybe. We don't know yet. We will see. Alright, but we will be trading it. We have to trade. We shouldn't cherry pick. We just have to trade what the market gives us. Pound USD. Daily. We may have one more up over there. How this can struggle, I have no idea currently. This can be the first part of the correction. This can be the second and the third one, and then it can go up. This can go for a sideways now for a while, and then we will be having a buy. But until this complete itself, I wouldn't take any trade. Okay, so I will leave it at least till tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be much clearer picture on pound USD. Oz USD. This down and then up. This is the down definitely. But not tradable. I wouldn't trade over there. I wouldn't take a trade over there, but what it can do, it can accumulate over there, and then I will take the trade. If it stays longer over there, then I will take some opportunities. If it do something like this, then I will take it and take it out. This will be short-term trade. It can even go longer. Let's see. 4 hour. Let's take that off. But I don't think so. He's in very uptrend, so this will probably struggle over there definitely. Down, and up, and tomorrow maybe there will be the sell stop. New Zealand USD. This one is forming a buy setup, but not from here. It has to go lower, and then we will watch for the buy setup. This going down, and then we will be watching for a buy setup from the bottom. And then this movement can appear, at least this will be the minimum, but I do anticipate it will go outside, something like that. Something like that's very possible. So we have to let it go down. We can even take a sell, but not yet, when it will gaze us. Currently it's not ready yet. And it's not showing any sell stop. 15-minute, no. This is the impulse generation point, and now this has to struggle. If you take any sell, you have to keep your stop loss above this high. Outside of structure. And going for this will be one-to-one trade. If you're willing to take it, I will not go as it stands right now. I don't like it. I will not touch it. We'll wait. Okay, we'll wait. USD chief going upside. Definitely more upside. This is the structure that I don't want to trade. This is going up and then down, and can still go up. We will see. Definitely something that I don't want to go for this trade. This is this much, that much, and then downside. This much is over there, yeah. That's not a setup for me. I wouldn't trade it over there to the upside. USD cat, buy, it's forming daily. See, that can go up, but now the question is this everything we will get from the correction? And is this over? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think this is everything and we will go to the upside. But it can go, yeah. I will not take it. That's not for me. Oh, what did I just do? This trade is not for me. It can do something like that, yes. It can go even and then slower and slower, and then yes, that can be the trade. And then going downside. Possible. Gold is there. If you were there yesterday, you could have seen this prediction over there. Trade is developing as predicted. I was mentioning that probably gold is trying to form the top and reversal. So what is it doing currently? This. Okay, this is the predicted movement, and during the night the gold went higher, taking these highs, and now it's slowly going down. Right, so you see it's following, right? Very easy. It is following. And now this will go down probably back at this or even lower, and then it has to decide. And we have to recognize how this movement came down. Did it came down correctively? Did it came down impulsively? Will it continue to the downside or will it reverse? Okay, so that's up to us. Recognize to read that properly, because if we will read that correctly and properly, then we will know how the market will move in the future. We will be able to forecast the upcoming movement. So yes, we have to wait now for this to happen, or either trade it. If you want, you can trade it. Depends on your skill level. Skill level, it's everything. If you can trade this to downside, and then it may happen one more wave to the upside, highly likely. We will see. Silver, I think it will go lower. This has to go lower. Yes, I think this will go drop, pull back, and we will be continuously pushing lower and lower. Either of these will happen. Or it can came there, go up, and then it will drop. We don't know which one, but we will see, right? We have to trade what we see. We have to forecast what we see. We shouldn't live in our imagination. We always have to be realistic, to be objective, and see how that plays out. EURUSD. This one is my favorite. Still there. Potential still there. Just a second. Yeah, this one's my favorite. Potential, it's still there. I would watch this one to go upside now. Still not looking like a sell. I still see the movement, still see the opportunity, and the room to the upside. It's still available over there, so we will be watching this correction. When it finishes, then we will monitor it. Okay, so this shall do something like this, and then we will be taking the buy over there. I will not buy yet. It's too strong currently. We will see. Oh, very strong. Very strong. Eyes on anyway. We will see. Canadian for our this one can as well extend one more leg higher, and this will be probably the last leg to the upside that we will have. Aussian, same there. Oh, sorry. This sideways over there, very highly likely. And then more upside can happen from there. For this less push to the upside. Possible. Yeah. This is the ABC. ABC. Yeah. Possible movement. Second waves are always more faster. And then going up. New Zealand yen. This one's going down. I don't know why this one's having the sell setup. I didn't take it. JPY is a little aggressive. We'll see. But this can as well go down and turn. Then if you take the sell, then put it on break even. I have no idea why this is going basically in the sell. I do understand this one. ABC, it's missing. Alright, so this is what I do in this bit. A, B, C, and then going up. So this is why this move is happening right now, right in and there. New Zealand cat. Possible a buy setup. Daily is going up, so we should buy New Zealand cat in case if we want. If we get the buy setup. This is going upside. Even higher. This one This is the impulse, correction, impulse, at least tagging the top. Did you tag? No. So you go past the top. So this is the movement. It's probably just the correction in the middle, so yeah, definitely buy on using cat. Don't trade every single chart at the time. Okay, so you're supposed to not go and trade everything that I'm showing over there and saying. Just pick one and trade it one by one. This one's going retracing, going retracing. This one's it's funny. So one more leg higher, it's possible now over there. Up and then down. You're Aussie. If you're Aussie retraces one more leg lower, then I will take it definitely. I think we will have this movement over there. And then we are going up. Sorry. This is the movement that I think we will have. This move. I don't think this one has retraced that much into the structure, and this to be separated one, and I don't believe, or it can be, who knows. This is possible as well. Without having this movement, it will go straight from there where it is right now. Movement has launched very strongly, so very possible that this can continue all the way for this movement right in and there from where it is right now. Very possible. Definitely sell. It's not what we will be trading. Buy. It's all we have to focus on. Pound Aussie. Struggling there. Still not ready for the break to the downside. That's very nice structure for one more leg lower, but everything together over there, it's for buy. It's building a buy momentum. It can go for one more leg lower. That's definitely true. One more move, it's to the downside possible. Something like this. Okay. This is what we will see. The move to the downside. And it says stop, it's not ready yet. Okay, so this will go down, but you have to wait. You have to wait for sell setup before you will get in. But it's good one. It could give some money over there. Something like this. Possible. Very possible scenario. Your cat. Not going. Let me just take it off. Daily. That's the sales 100%. Because in the terms how deep this one went, this C wave is the A and this B went so low that it retested the previous low. That means we are still in the correction. That's gonna go down anytime soon now. So what you have to do, we have to monitor this one. The last, oh sorry, we have to monitor now this last part of the movement. Okay, it can go up definitely, but this will be the last move. I will not trade it. This movement, and then the move can start. Very possible scenario, going up and then down. because this is not something that drops usually. That's definitely not sell ready yet. Sell, it's not yet there. That's not how sell looks like. Pound cat, nothing there. It's not enough data. I need more data over there, so nothing there. Euro New Zealand, nothing there. Euro GBP in this correction mode, corrective phase. We are in this huge correction. Now the price will go anytime lower and then to go up. It can go lower and then it can go up, something like this, and then to go lower. So it can get much more complicated than it is. Especially if this goes down now, it can go even up and then breaking the low, tagging the low, and then start its move to the upside. Very complex structure. I wouldn't trade over there. I wouldn't take any trade on your GBP. Pound chief. Nothing there. It's gone. I wouldn't trade anything over there. Your chief. It's going upside. The question is how far. This is definitely the correction. This is going that much. Definitely a buy. Nothing yet currently. No opportunity. Yesterday there was a chance, but now there is nothing yet. We can take. We have to let it go. Let it pull back, and then we will take a trade. Let it pull back, and then we will take a buy. There is the option for a buy. Yes. Catch if. Catch if it's coming higher. It will go and create this structure in the middle, and then one more leg lower. It's very highly likely possible. Yes, this will go up and then it will down. It can even go that much from there to there. Okay, so much bigger wave to downside can appear on catch if. And then we will be following it to the downside. UK oil. Sell. Definitely a sell. We're in this channel over there. Still has to come lower. Yeah. Oil will come lower. Especially how it came up, it's interesting. A, B, and C, and then up, and this is everything A, B, C. And yeah, I think that this is about to go lower. Let me see this one. Same. This is pretty corrective movement to the upside. It's over there. This is corrective. I think we will go lower. This will start pushing lower. At least back down there. Or we will see the break and continuation. Lower and lower. Hello. All right, so US 500, this is struggling there at the top. I think we will go down anytime. This was a good opportunity and we will get more. I think we are going to go back at the top again. This struggle there and then still go up. Going there and still up. And then we will go down. US 30 starting there sideways, but it will still go up as well. I wouldn't trade it currently as it stands right now. I don't like it. It will have to go down, go up, and then I will take a trade. For now, nothing. No. NAS, same there. Same as SP 500. It can go down and then it can go up. We are at the top of the structure and this movement is possible over there that it can happen. If it drops, then we will watch for the sell stops. Otherwise, we will wait to go above the high again. That's what charts do quite often. They go cross a little and go above it and then it drops. They do that very often. We will see which of these scenarios will happen. UK 100, nothing there. I wouldn't trade. It's not the interested one and nothing. I will skip it. German DAX. Yeah, he's trying to do something, but still no power over there. Still no power. Can it go lower? Yes, this can break. Oh, it's not this one. I think this one can break lower. Let me check. 15 minutes. Yes. If this is a correction, we can see the breakthrough. We can see the breakthrough today. And these two continuously going lower. Otherwise, it will go up. I would be much happier if this goes high and then start the movement. Much more Much nicer movement. Bitcoin, voila, it's going upside. So how far? I think this will pull back and then we will still go higher and higher, higher and higher. But without pullback, there's nothing. This pullback is too small in nature. But it can go quick up and then deeper pullback. Anytime soon we will have it. This and then go up. Nifty is still the same. Aussie New Zealand will go for another leg lower. And then it will retraces higher. Alright. And then going higher in structure. Okay, that's it. We went through the everything and that's it. Nothing interesting. We have to wait now these structures to fulfill, and then we will have many opportunities across the market. Today I will be much faster. I will end the webinar very soon, maybe 5-10 minutes left, and then I will end the webinar over there. I will be watching this one today probably. We went through the whole market today, so we did a very good job. We watched everything. We went through Forex, indices, indexes, and commodities. USD Chief would be great once it came higher. I think this could be a great one, maybe. Once it starts breaking higher. Silver, if it goes higher one more leg, that's gonna be a good one. This probably go down now, tagging this trend line, and there's possibility we can even bounce us off and go for one more high, and then we will have a wave to the downside. which could be that long. It could be either corrective or total reverse, so we have no idea, but definitely deeper one. Okay, so going up and now deeper one. Something like this, very possible. Much more volatile movement. This movement, it's preparing over there, and this is what I want to catch. I don't want to go for this buy anymore. It's gone. It's gone. And this movement which are about to end, and they are around the target, I don't want to take. That's not worth of risking. There's no money. I want to make at least 4 times more than I risk. Then this is good. Good setup. So this is it, guys. I will end the webinar over there. Make sure you are patient. Make sure you wait and watch for the setups to complete before you jump in the trade. Don't be aggressive. Don't enter before something confirmed by itself. And that's it. Very easy. I will be there for the London session today, New York session, sorry. And we will go through the market to see what happened and how it works. So take care, enjoy your day, and make sure the profit is